Is your Texas home ready for the next storm? Here at TX Roofing and Fence, we understand the unique challenges our state throws at us. From scorching summers to powerful hurricanes, your property needs protection you can count on. That's where TX Roofing and Fence comes in. We're your one-stop shop for comprehensive roofing and fence services across Galveston, Fort Bend, Harris County, and the surrounding areas. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering top-quality installations and repairs that withstand the elements. We use only the best materials, ensuring your roof and fence provide lasting durability and beauty. Whether you need a brand new roof, repairs for storm damage, or a sturdy fence to enhance your property's security and curb appeal, TX Roofing and Fence has the expertise to get the job done right. We don't just install roofs and fences, we bring peace of mind. Knowing your home is protected allows you to relax and enjoy the things that matter most. Don't wait until the next storm hits. Contact TX Roofing and Fence today for a free quote and experience the difference of working with a local company that understands your needs. TX Roofing and Fence. Protecting your Texas home, one roof and fence at a time. Contact us today at 409-264-0529 or visit us at txroofingandfence.com.